Hello friends, welcome to PSG Vlogs. Today we are going to review the one package we have received from Banggood, that is from Singapore. That is the, just zoom properly, okay, that we have got from the Singapore. Talking more about it, just unwrapped it from Research Universal Changi Air Flight Center, PO Box, Singapore. We got this parcel. Yesterday itself we have received this parcel, and it cost about $21. As you see their price, I will blur out my address. This opening, what is inside, packing is good. So here it comes, the beautiful SJCAM. Beautiful SJCAM is with us today, so we are going to talk about it. SJCAM 7-star with gyro sensor, gyro stabilization, 4K Ultra HD, 30 fps, and reverse scamming also is there. 30mm water resistant and 20 megapixel camera. On the side of the box there is SJCAM is written, which is branding, and you can download the app from the Apple, also from the Google Play. Scan for download the app. At the back of this pack we are seeing the specification as SJCAM empowers your dreams. SJ7 star image sensor, that is 12.4 megapixel Sony IMX comms sensor, and on the second the lens 166 angle, that is the wide angle lens of HD. Resolution of image is 16 megapixel, 14 megapixel, 12 megapixel, and various standards. Video can be recorded in 4K, 2K, and also in 180p and 720. Images JPG, video format is MP4. 1000 mAh, removable battery, supports up to 228 GB micro SD card, that is 10 class card, micro USB, Wi-Fi, external mic, SJCAM, remote control, optional connection. It works with operating system Windows XP, Service Pack 2, or later Mac OS 0.411 or later. Talking more about it, contains the bin halate, includes bin halate. This attachments are a check manual for the full list. Okay, just we are going to unwrap it, keep aside. So this is the actual packing of SJCAM. Aside of this there is an authentication code. You can have that and see that more probably you get the so here we have the SJCAM 7-star, SJ7 star. We have got it from the banggood.com at about 11,000 rupees by paying all the custom duties, and we have got this parcel. We have ordered on 29 and we have got today. Just opening the parcel, just unboxing it, and it contains a camera in waterproof covering. Going next to it, what accessories we have got in the box, let's see. So we got the lens cover, there is lens cover, and then this is some side mount handle holder. Then this sticky, it is very good. The touch screen back indicator, waterproof case, touch screen back door, water up to 10 feet, that is 3 meters. This functional, that is good with this. And we got some Now these attachments, some of these attachments, and let's move to forward. That's this attachment, and some of these attachments, and this one lens cleaner. So this we have got in the box. Apart from this, we also got some more attachments. This is USB cord, you can see it, for the charging purpose. And next we have got this mount, another mount, and another mount. This huge range of mount is this covering. Huge set of mount we have got in this. Talking about the moreover, we got the 2 stickers also. That is showing SJCAM label. Then after the instruction manual, complete instruction manual in English, quick start guide, safety warnings, and some other functions of the basic functions of the camera. You can pause it and view it, and we see the accessories. The different accessories is shown in the waterproof case, yes. Frame mount, yes. 360 ace bracket, yes. 360 parallel bracket, yes. Curved mount, flat mounts, yes. Switch support 1, switch support 2, switch support 3. Bicycle stand, adapters, fixed base, waterproof case, touch door, data wire, 3M stickers, wiper stickers, and manuals and lens cover. All we have about 19 things in this. And talking more about this rebooting the camera. This rebooting the camera. The camera is opened this way. This we have to press this small, and this open, then this opens, and here this is the camera we have got from SJCAM SJ7 star. So talking about the quality, it is a metal body, seem to be, and just power start from this button. It's power starting, and here we have the lens. You can see not able to see that. Okay, and you can see that fishy eye effect is there to this. And talking about the settings, you can go settings, video. So this is the we got complete set what we have got from the SJCAM. And next in the next video we are going to shoot the how to attach all the using mounts, how to attach to the, that is the we have the helmet, how to attach to it. More we were talking about the camera quality. Yesterday we have shoot about an hour or 2 hours shootings, and the quality is very good as compared, and the fishy eye effect is seen. And moreover the internal mic is also good. I'll just switch on this. I have updated the latest version on this. You can also update just this microphone. So just I have updated the latest version of it. That is SJ7 star V1. Just stabilizing it a bit. It is taking a bit. We need to focus. Just a minute. I got the focus. So talking more about the camera, default setting, format card, Wi-Fi password. Sorry for the blur image, the camera is not focusing. It's focused. Wi-Fi password, Wi-Fi SD, Wi-Fi language, date format, time setup, date setup, beep. Just a minute, it's not going to focus anyway. That is very incandescent. Just wait a minute. It started focusing, and again we can auto shutdown, logo, watermark, distortion correction, light frequency, gimbal control, TV mode, FPP, delay of quick capture, and where video resolutions, video resolution that is up to the 4K 30 fps 16:9, there is, and therefore K 25 fps standard version 4:3 and 2160 2.7K and all the 1080p's. You can record in any mode you want, the best quality you will get. And talking about the, moreover, you swipe down, you will get the images what you have in the camera. Then again swipe down, we have all the videos in the camera. That's why we have shooted a second ago. So you can see there the date and time, the logo is recorded here, and just an good camera and all the sense. This you have to long press this and it will get switch off. This indicator switch it off. Talking not more about it, let's have the test samples in a few moments.